Abdali Grammar School, Primary Mathematics, Lesson 3, Quotient and Remainder, Chapter number 3, Lecture number 3, 69 Abdali Road, Islampura, Lahore. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Today our topic is Quotient and Remainder. Quotient and Remainder. Student, tell me what is quotient? Yes, students. The result obtained after division is called quotient. The result obtained after division is called quotient. The result obtained after division is called quotient. Student, what is remainder? Tell me. The remainder is the number left over is called the remainder. The number left over is called the remainder. The number left over is called the remainder. Student, here we divide 13 by 2. 2 6 is 12. We write 12 under 13. When we subtract 12 from 13, we get 1. We get 1. Student, 6 is our quotient and 1 is our remainder. 6 is our quotient and 1 is our remainder. Now student, let's have to discuss some steps. Our step 1 is divide the dividend and divisor by recall tables of divisor. Divide the dividend and divisor by recall tables of divisor. Our second step is the number where we get dividend or nearer is quotient. The number where we get dividend or nearer is quotient. The number where we get dividend or nearer is quotient. Our step 3 is if we get nearer dividend, so by the subtraction we found remainder. If we get nearer dividend, so by the subtraction we found remainder. By following these steps, we start to solve our examples. Students, our first example is find the quotient and remainder. Find the quotient and remainder. Our question is 66 divided by 7. 66 divided by 7. Now student, let's divide 66 by 7. Now student, by following our first step, we recall the table of 7. 7 9 is 63. We write 63 under 66 and we write 9 at quotient place. And we write 9 at quotient place. Now student, what we do now? Now we subtract 63 from 66. Now student, we subtract 63 from 66. When we subtract 63 from 66, we get our remainder 3. 9 is our quotient. Students, 9 is our quotient and our remainder is 3. 3 is our remainder. 3 is our remainder. 3 is our remainder. Student, what we get? We get, when we divide 66 by 7, we get 9 quotient and 3 remainder. Now student, let's start to solve our second example. Our question is find the quotient and remainder. Find the quotient and remainder. 58 divided by 9. 58 divided by 9. Student, now we recall the table of 9. 9 6 is 54. 9 6 is 54. So we write 54 under 58. We write 54 under 58 and we write 6 at quotient place. And we write 6 at quotient place. Now student, what we do now? We subtract 54 from 58. we subtract 54 from 58, we get 4. We get 4. Here students, 6 is our quotient, 6 is our quotient and 4 is our remainder, and 4 is our remainder, 4 is our remainder. Student, what we get? We get, when we divide 58 by 9, we get 6 quotient, 6 quotient and our remainder is 4, and our remainder is 4. Students, 6 is our quotient and our remainder is 4. Thanks for watching.